person's health is very low. And when their health is gone, the balloon pops itself. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are showing you ArmoGear. This is the Balloon Battle full kit for ages 8 and older. So mini blaster battle with balloon target vests. So let's go ahead and show you guys everything you get. So this is how it's packaged and shipped. There's the blaster. Here's a second blaster. They supply you with balloons. Make sure you don't miss this piece in here. It is kind of hard to miss. But these are suction cups. In here you got 2 vests. And they supply you with the manual as well. Just go ahead and show you the vest up close. So the vests do take batteries. So for the vest, it's 3 AAA batteries each. Let's go ahead and demonstrate that for you guys. They do not supply batteries, so keep that in mind. So the blaster guns also get batteries, so you just screw this off the side here. So I'm not sure if we need to take both screws out. Well, it just says open right here, so we're gonna thread this out and see. Nope, just that one screw, and that takes 3 AAA batteries. So you're gonna need 3, 6, 9, 12. You're going to need 12 AAA batteries if you want to use the whole set. So for each gun, you can select your team, or if you don't want to be on a team, by pressing this.
Green, orange.
And then press it off.
Blue. Receiver off.
Slide this up to turn the receiver on.
Receiver on.
And now you are ready to go to attack the other team.
Red.
Alright, so then what you're going to do is you're going to take an inflated balloon and you're going to strap it on with this strap here. So it's a little tough to show you guys in the camera, but you strap it on and you put it in this little clamp, this little hole on the other side.
Green, orange, blue.
Pick your team.
Red.
Alright, and this will get strapped around your body. Now if someone of another color is ready to go, this is how you reload. By you just go like that. When you hit it, it vibrates and that makes a sound. And now that shows this person's health is very low. And when their dot their health is gone, the balloon pops itself. So as you can see, you can shoot many times, and once that's it, that person's out. They're done. But as you could see, many times you could shoot that person and they could go, but this also makes a sound as you get weaker and weaker. Eventually, pop. So it's pretty simple. And you don't have to have, like, for example, this is a blue gun, but if you pick red team, you're able to target the blue team.
Green.
Just like now, you're a part of green team, even though the gun's blue.
Orange.
Now you're orange team.
Blue. Red. Green. Orange.
Now, make sure everything's on. So make sure the receiver's on. Make sure this is on. And that's very simple. You just press this blue button up here.
Blue.
So now, when you press it, that means you're on blue team. Turn your gun on. Right here, pick a team.
Blue. Receive. Red.
Slide this up.
Receiver. On. Green.
Pick your
Orange.
team.
Blue. Red.
Just like that. Very simple. And without a balloon, you cannot hit the other person. So they have to have a balloon. It's a very fun game for ages 8 and older. And I hope this video helps you guys learn how to play. But it's very simple. If you have any questions, to turn it off, you just press and hold the button. To turn this off, press and hold the side button and turn the receiver off. It's a lot of fun, and I think you guys could be really happy with this, especially your kids. But you know what? It's fun for adults too, and that's the great thing about this. Adults, kids, it's fun overall.